Weather and tonight's viewer pick, New Water Lilies, was sent in by Robert Wesley Smith. Showers and storms over the top end today, mostly sunny and warm in the south. It was 31 degrees in Darwin today, 29 in Bachelor, 34 today in Katherine, 32 in Nhulunbuy and Borroloola, 27. Alice Springs reached 37 degrees, 38 in Yulara. Point Stewart received 68 millimetres of rain in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. 62 millimetres fell in Milingimbi. Throughout today, Jabiru received 25 millimetres of rain, 16 fell at Nooka. Around Australia today, 31 degrees in Brisbane and Perth, 30 the top for Sydney, 20 in Hobart. To the satellite, monsoonal thunderstorms continue across the tropical north, while an inland trough is causing isolated thunderstorms over the centre. To the synoptic, a weak tropical low has formed near Darwin. It's moving southwest, and that monsoon trough extends across the top end. Interstate tomorrow, wet in Brisbane, a top of 31 degrees, cloudy in Sydney and Canberra, sunny and 35 degrees in Perth. To our north, storms in Singapore and Manila, cloudy and 29 degrees in Jakarta and Dili. Around the Territory tomorrow, Alice Springs and Uluru headed for 40 degrees, Tennant Creek 35 and storms in Elliot. Rain further north, 31 in the top in Katherine and Borroloola, a top of 31 degrees in Nhulunbuy. And storms in the west, 29 degrees the top for Bachelor and heading for 31 degrees in Darwin tomorrow. A marine wind warning has been issued for the Beagle Bonaparte coast. There's a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall, damaging winds and high tides for people in the Tiwi, Daly, Arnhem and Carpentaria districts. A flood watch has been issued for parts of the Western Inland Northern Territory for early next week. Around Darwin, high tide will be just before 8:30 in the morning at 6.22 metres. The sun will rise tomorrow around 6:15. Looking ahead in Darwin, storms and above 30-degree temperatures for much of the week. In Alice Springs, rain on Monday and Tuesday. And if you missed any part of tonight's news, you can watch it anytime via the ABC's iView service. Just go to iview.abc.net.au, type in ABC News and select the Northern Territory. Watch your local nightly news on TV, online and mobile. And to stay up to date with the latest news from the Northern Territory, head to our website, news.abc.net.au. And that's ABC News for this Friday night. Thanks for your company. Good night.